Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can add tens, and for that we're going to be using these base 10 blocks. There's 10 little pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this represents 10 of these little ones. We can use this to help model our numbers and understand the process. So here I have an example of something that we might need to solve, 20 plus 50. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the number. So the number 20 has 2 tens and no ones, and the number 50 has 5 tens and no ones. What we can see here is when these are in groups of 10, they're actually very easy to add up because I've got 2 of them here and 5 of them here. So really all we have to do is 2 plus 5 to work out 20 plus 50. Since this is an addition problem, which means putting 2 numbers together, we're going to put them together here so that we now have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the way that we write 7 tens is a 7 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. It's that easy. And I'll show you one more example. In this example, we will do 40, which is 4 tens, plus 40, which is also 4 tens, equals. And as before, we'll make our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Now when we add these up, because we've got 4 tens and 4 tens, we know 4 plus 4 is 8. So we have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can write our answer 8 tens and 0 ones. Otherwise known as the number 80. Now it's your turn. Have a practice at adding tens in the attached activity, and I'll see you in the next video.